I'll show you some survival tips. Help! Help! What happened? I got the boo-boo. Okay, let me help you. First we clean the boo-boo. Mom, I already did a shot. Oh, wait, I have a shot already. Ready? Hey.
First,
We'll wash.
wash. Yeah.
Oh, this done. Wait.
Finish. Bandage.
That's a bandage. It's a wiper. My boo-boo hurts.
That's okay. Sabi yan. Isipin mo.
Ooh. Ooh. Ow. What? Ooh, that's disgusting. Let's go west. Let me get my map and compass. What? So we don't be lost. Let me check my map and compass. So we need to go here. Ooh, doggy, hi dog. Hi dog. That's how you need a map and a compass. Now we are lost. Let me get my whistle and hope. Oh no. There you go. That's why you use the whistle to toll for help.